Hello and welcome to SAT Math in 10 minutes, everything you actually need to score higher, fast. Let's start with must-know formula that will help you in math section. Formula 1 algebra is the biggest part of SAT Math, so master it well. Linear equations, you will solve forms like ax plus b equals c and y equals mx plus b. Slope means rate of change. The slope formula is m equals y to minus y1 divided by x to minus x1. Formula 2. Next formula to y equals mx plus b. Slope means rate of change. Whe is the y-intercept. Formula 3 quadratic. Quadratics, standard form. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. 3 main solving ways. Factor, complete the square or quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus for ac, all divided by 2a. Memorize this. It saves you. In this section, we are learning the distance formula. It is used to find the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. If we have 2 points, point 1 with coordinates x1, y1, and point 2 with coordinates x2, y2, the distance between them is square root of left parenthesis x to minus x1 right parenthesis squared plus left parenthesis y to minus y1 right parenthesis squared. Formula 5. Now let's learn the equation of a circle, which is very important for the SAT. The standard equation of a circle on the coordinate plane is left parenthesis x minus h right parenthesis squared plus left parenthesis y minus k right parenthesis squared equals r squared. Formula 6 triangles. Sum of angles equals 180. Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Special triangles 3, 4, 5, and 5, 12, 13. Linear equation example, text, solve, 3 plus 5 equals 20, 3x plus 5 equals 20.